Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about doing a little testing or a family drill or a family exercise, whatever you want to call it. But it's where you go out and you do one of the things you're planning to do just to see how well you do it. And what I'm talking about specifically is doing a without power test. Now, what this means is you plan for a period of time, say 24 hours, and you set it up so that you turn the power off and you see how well you do. You do have everything to take care of your refrigerator, freezers, whatever else you need to keep going on if the power grid goes down for 24 hours. And that'll give you a good insight into how you can plan for longer term events. But you got to remember, you got to have your notebook to make notes as things goes along, what goes right and what goes wrong, because you want to be able to fix the things that go wrong so they go right next time, and especially if that next time is a real event. So think about it. Get together with your family, plan it out, have yourself a without power test, and see how well your family does. Why? This is why.